Welcome to Top Picks Now. The best wall calendar is probably one of the most versatile and indispensable tools for staying organized and on track with your monthly goals, offering a clear visual overview of your schedule, appointments, and important dates, making it an essential addition to any home or office environment for efficient planning and productivity. Number 5. Brand's Magnetic Dry Erase Calendar Whiteboard. Enhance your workspace and boost your productivity with this modern magnetic whiteboard calendar. Its whitewood style frame adds a contemporary touch to any office, classroom, or home. Plan your month at a glance with this convenient monthly calendar. Keep track of your entire family's tasks and events effortlessly, from schedules to meal planning. This calendar comes with 2 magnets to help you keep track of important dates and notes. It's a simple yet effective way to stay organized. Hang this board effortlessly with the included hardware and instructions. Spend less time on installation and more time showcasing your creativity and staying on schedule. Designed to resist stains and ghosting, its premium painted steel surface ensures a clean slate every time. Unleash your creativity without limitations. We are a company of designers, innovators, and trendsetters. We remain passionate about providing well-designed products that will help you feel inspired. What we like. This calendar offers a magnetic surface, perfect for attaching notes or photos. Its stain-free surface ensures a clean look for longer. If you like a blend of modern aesthetics and practical magnetic functionality for your office or home, this is a great choice. What people say. The calendar is large and has plenty of space for writing. The dry erase surface is smooth and easy to clean. The included markers are vibrant and write smoothly. Number 4. Jumbo Laminated Erasable Monthly Whiteboard Calendar. Experience a perfectly smooth writing surface that wipes clean with ease. Our calendar works seamlessly with all your favorite dry erase markers. This extra-large calendar offers ample room for all your scheduling needs. It includes bonus yearly and weekly planners for comprehensive organization. Each day's square is generously sized, providing plenty of space to jot down all your important tasks and appointments. Get started organizing right away with our complete bonus package. It includes an eraser, mounting tapes, and eyelets for immediate use. Easily mounted in minutes without any hassle, thanks to our innovative mounting options. You can even reposition it later without damage. What we like. This is an extra-large calendar with massive writing space in each day's box. It also comes with a complete set of accessories, so you can start organizing immediately. If you need a calendar with ample room for detailed daily plans and want a hassle-free setup, this is the one for you. What people say. The calendar is large and has plenty of space for writing notes. The paper quality is thick and durable, preventing ink bleed-through. It comes with stickers and markers, making it a complete package for planning. Number 3. Wall Dry Erase Calendar with Cork Board 24 by 18 in. Experience a writing surface that wipes clean completely, every single time. Say goodbye to residue, staining, and faded lines, even with daily use. With large date boxes, you can easily write down multiple appointments. Keep your weekly and monthly schedule visible all at once for ultimate organization. This planner stays perfectly rigid, ensuring a stable writing surface without wobbling. Its durable frame prevents corners from separating or warping. Combine your monthly schedule with a convenient cork board. Pin important bills, receipts, or notes below your family's planner for a reusable alternative to paper. Everything you need is included to get started right away. Use it as a vision board, message board, or kitchen menu planner for home and office. What we like. This calendar uniquely combines a dry erase surface with a cork board. It features large date boxes for easy writing and comes as a complete kit with markers, magnets, and push pins. If you need a versatile organizer for both scheduling and pinning important notes or reminders, this is an excellent option for home or office. What people say. The calendar is large and has plenty of space for writing. The paper is thick and durable, so it doesn't bleed through. It's easy to hang and stays put on the wall. Number 2. ARCOBIS 12x16 Dry Erase Calendar with Cork Board. Introducing the ARCOBIS Dry Erase Calendar with Cork Board, a versatile planning tool for your home or office. It helps you stay organized with its dual functionality. This board offers double-sided writing space. Use the front for your monthly calendar and the back for notes, to-do lists, or even doodling. It combines a dry erase calendar for scheduling with a corkboard for pinning important reminders. Keep your plans and notes all in one convenient place. Designed for quick planning, its compact size and clearly defined daily boxes make it easy to jot down appointments and activities at a glance. Enjoy a smooth writing surface that lasts. Protected with an extra varnish layer, the lines won't fade, and it's tested for extensive use. We care about the environment. The materials used in this board are FSC certified, ensuring sustainable sourcing. Its lightweight and compact design makes it ideal for any small space, from your home office to the kitchen. It comes with everything you need for easy installation and immediate use. What we like. This calendar is double-sided, offering a calendar on one side and a blank whiteboard on the other for extra notes. Its compact size makes it ideal for smaller spaces, and it's made with FSC certified materials. If you're looking for a versatile and eco-friendly planning tool for a small office, dorm, or kitchen, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. This calendar is large and has plenty of space for writing. The dry erase surface works well and is easy to clean. The layout is clear and easy to read, making it simple to plan out your month. Number 1. Mr. Pen Monthly Calendar Dry Erase Board. Introducing our monthly calendar dry erase board, designed to help you organize your life. It offers plenty of space for planning your week, tracking tasks, or setting important reminders. This versatile board features a monthly planner on one side and a blank whiteboard on the other. It's perfect for both scheduling your commitments and jotting down creative ideas. Get everything you need to get started. The set includes colorful dry erase markers, magnets, and an eraser for efficient planning and organization right out of the box. Built with a sturdy aluminum frame and protective corners, this board is made to last. Its convenient hanging loops allow for easy display in any room of your choice. Ideal for home, office, or classroom use, it helps keep your schedule clear and tasks organized. Stay productive and on track throughout your month with this essential tool. What we like. This board is double-sided, providing a monthly planner on one side and a blank whiteboard on the other for versatile use. It's portable and comes with a generous set of colorful markers and magnets. If you need a flexible and well-equipped planning tool that you can easily move around your home, office, or classroom, this is a great pick. What people say. The calendar is large and has plenty of space for writing. The dry erase surface is smooth and easy to clean. The included markers are vibrant and write clearly. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.